everyone, this is Steve from True Market Finance. Today's video is going to be an easy, quick video. Um, I want to guys introduce you to the Tapsigner. It's made by CoinKite, and what I like about it is it's a simple Bitcoin wallet in your pocket. You just tap your NFC on the back of your card, and it gives you cold storage. You can set it up in nunchucks, probably the best way of using it. Um, but yeah, it's a really good, simple, cheap wallet, which is also nice too. The tap signer for if you're traveling or something like that, you can just keep the tap signer in your pocket. That way, your Bitcoin's also always secure. And if you need to top up your Lightning payment or something like that from your core Bitcoin, then you can do that simply by tap in and sign it with this, so that it always keeps it secure, because that is our ultimate thing, guys. Not your keys, not your coins. So you want to keep that Bitcoin secure and safe. So I'm going to do something that I don't normally do. I'm going to go over to the Tapsigner beginner guide on how to use it, with CoinKite themselves, and they're going to walk you through it, and just feel like it's a simpler way of doing this with a video that they already produced. So no science killing something that's already perfected by CoinKite. You can go on there, guys. When you're in CoinKite and you're buying products from them, remember that it is always in US funds, and so when you're making a purchase, it'll be a little bit more on your credit card, or in your Bitcoin when you do it. I think they also give you a discount, I think, if you use Bitcoin itself as well. But I'm not affiliated with them right now, so this is just strictly video to give you guys cold storage. Cheap cold storage, easy cold storage, to get you away from keeping your Bitcoin on a platform like Coinbase or something like that. Do not keep it there, guys. You will lose your Bitcoin. This is your bank, and because you're not using traditional banking here, you got to treat your Bitcoin and your bank like a regular bank. So you got to create security, and security comes with cold storage, guys. So this is a simple Bitcoin wallet. Well, it's not even a wallet. It's just Tapsigner itself. It's the keys to your money, which you always want to keep out of a exchange. So, with that, it comes with multiple different pictures and stuff like that on the cards too. So you can pick really great cards. There's multiple to choose from, and yeah, I use them all the time. I've got multiple ones in my wallet, and they're super handy for. I like them. If you didn't want to keep all as your wealth grows, and you don't want to keep large amounts, you could keep $10,000 on each tap signer, kind of, if you wanted to kind of do so you get separate accounts. You want to do that, or just keep a little bit there, and keep the rest on. Also, CoinKite makes your cold card queue, which is the best cold storage out there that I have found. Easy to use, secure, and great. But anyway, this video is on the tap signer, so I don't want to get sidetracked there. We'll do that on another video one day with the cold card queue, because that is a killer. That is amazing unit that they put together and built. So anyway, with the tap signer, I'm going to slide over here to their YouTube video to play, and you guys can just listen to that and tap and join.
In this guide, we'll show you how to use your Tapsigner to sign transactions using NFC with Nunchuck Wallet on your mobile device. You'll learn how to set up a Tapsigner as an NFC key within Nunchuck, assign the Tapsigner to a Bitcoin wallet, and sign a transaction with the Tapsigner. Here's what you'll need: a CoinKite Tapsigner and a smartphone with Nunchuck Wallet installed. Start by opening Nunchuck Wallet on your phone. Tap Add a Key. and then Add NFC Key, and finally, tap the Add New NFC Key option. Hold the Tapsigner to the phone to scan it. You will now be prompted to initialize setup of a new NFC key. Tap Yes to continue. Next, set up a chain code, which will provide randomness to the key generation. Choose Automatic. Next, we'll set up the CVC pin code associated with the Tapsigner, which already comes with the preset CVC code. Enter this under Existing CVC. Now we'll choose a new pin code. Enter this in the new CVC field, and again to confirm. Hit Continue. Hold the Tapsigner to the phone to complete the process. Next, we're given the option to name the NFC signing device. We'll call it Tapsigner 1. Hit Continue. It'll now appear under Keys. In order to sign a transaction, we need to create a wallet. Tap Add a Wallet, and then Create a Wallet. Enter a name for your wallet. We'll call ours Tapsigner 1. Hit Continue. Now we have the option to assign NFC keys to the wallet. Check the box next to Tapsigner 1 and hit the plus button to add it as a required key. Tap Continue. We now see it as an assigned NFC key. Tap Create a Wallet. You'll now be prompted to save your wallet configuration file. For now, we'll just hit I'll do this later. Finally, review your wallet and click Done. Now let's make our first transaction. On the main screen, tap the wallet we just created. Click Send to create a new transaction. Type the amount, or hit Send All if you wish to send the full balance. Scan or paste the Bitcoin address you want to send to, and hit Continue. Tap Continue to proceed with the default fees. If you're happy, tap Confirm and Create Transaction. Now we can see that the transaction is pending one signature. Tap Sign and enter the CVC code for the device. Hold the Tapsigner to the phone to scan it. We now have enough signatures collected and the transaction has been signed. Tap Broadcast Transaction. Congratulations! You can now add the Tapsigner as an NFC key within Nunchuck and sign transactions with it. To learn more about how to use the Tapsigner, head over to tapsigner.com.
So now, guys, you can see why I just decided to do that video with one of CoinKite's videos themselves, because it's just a simple way of doing things when these guys have mastered it anyway. Um, so go over to CoinKite and sign up. Or actually, you don't need to sign up. You just go in, and then what you can do then is go into buy now, or you can go into CoinKite and just go into shopping, and you'll see them, all kinds of them, different kinds that are there, and pick up yourself your coin or Tapsigner today, and get started with a simple cold storage, and and then it's one more set, you know, ahead of things where you will be able to protect your funds, and then you'll get into the cold card queue. You know, like I said, I have many of these. I use them all. I have multiple wallets with Tapsigners, you know, with different names to all different cards. Like you saw in the video, you can just name it whatever you like, um, depending on what you know you have on your card. Is a lot of times what you do for diagram or whatever. And it's as simple as that, guys. It's super simple, super easy. This is why I want you to get your stuff off of like your exchanges and get into your self custody, your own um, Bitcoin in your own keys in your own bank. So this is what I keep trying to push out to that. So this is simple videos, simple everything here, guys. So again, like, share, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends, families, neighbors, everyone, and all the other videos that I have out there. And if you think of something that you want to see, that you want me to bring out in another video, feel free to let me know, and I will throw it out there. and keep on stacking, guys. Stack sats. Do not ever sell. Just keep on stacking. Stack stacks. You can stack sats. It's almost hard to say. It's a tongue twister. Stack sats. One sat at a time. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.